Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of Jay's Build. Today we have a huge upgrade for the channel. We're gonna start building our new shop. So yeah, guys, right here I have all the materials for the new shop. I got this delivered on Wednesday. Yeah, it was on Wednesday. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna lay it down from here. I think we're gonna leave a space from the house, between the house and the garage. So without any further ado, we have a lot of work to do. Let's get started. Hey, what's up, guys? Today's the next day. Yesterday we couldn't finish it. It got too late. We couldn't keep working on it. But we have the structure all set up, as you can see. Let me show you here. What we need to do today is we have to make a square. We have to make sure we leave 6 inches out on the roof on each side, and that's where we're having problem right now. Right here, I don't know if you can see. Right here is almost like 5, 7, 8, but here is like 4.5 inches to make a square, and we couldn't get it done yesterday, so that's what we're gonna do today. But it's coming together, guys. It's higher than what I was expecting. All right, as y'all can see, we have basically the whole roof done. My dad's still putting some self screw. We need to do this one and the last two. So after that, what we're gonna do, next sheet, it will be on each side. It's gonna be like the curve right here. It might end up by the self screw over there. And then we're gonna keep going doing the walls and it will be done. But it's coming pretty good. You know, it's coming along. It's very hot outside right now. So we're sweating like crazy. I like it. And like I said at the beginning, it's much higher than what I expect. But we're getting the shop ready, guys. Then we're gonna keep doing more stuff like putting lights. I'm gonna do the floors probably next weekend, because you know, moving, like I said, moving the floor jog around on the gravel, it gets stuck, and you know, laying down on the floor with the, you know, working on the cars, it would be better if I put a floor. I'm doing this way because in case I have to move, I can take it down and ready to go, because I don't own this property. So it gotta be something removable, but I like it, guys. guys, as you can see, we're done building our shop. Please leave me your comments. What do you think about these? And also I still have to put the trim at the edge of the metal sheet. And we're gonna, on my next video, what I will do, I'm gonna start building the floors, and also I'm gonna start putting the power for the lights on the roof. And if you have any idea or any type of lights that I should use, please just leave your comments down below and let me know what you think, guys. I appreciate that you keep watching my channel, and if you want, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a huge like for that video that I just did. Alright guys, without any further ado, I will let you go, and I see you on my next video.